guys, what's up? It's Leah. Me, Rue, and Boone are just chilling in our teepee, and I just wanted to show you the unboxing of the Bayou blind bag. And let's review it with the timber pack and the old version of the full choke. So, I got my wild ears strapped up to this metal D ring right here. Lots of places to put strap your gear on, just like this where I have my pants. And so this is the bottom of the bag. So I'm gonna put this down, and I already loaded and packed up this bag full of my normal goose hunting gear. So I'm gonna open this and let's check it out and see what's inside. So I got some insulation after setting up decoys, and I am just gonna put things as I go into the timber pack over here. So I'm gonna, in this Bayou bag, there is a lot of nice storage and organizers, and they were sturdy, so you can keep all of your equipment dry and organized in this nice bag. I'm putting my shells in on these nice side pockets inside the bag, and I'm gonna put my calls on top, and then everything that I have in these pockets up here, I'm gonna put in these pockets right here. This timber pack bag actually is designed for hanging on a tree. So it does have a really nice and handy tree strap. So you can hang it on a tree, and then it can just hang out, and it does have a gun hook too. So now that I have all my equipment settled in here, I noticed that there's a lot more space in the up top here, so you can fit a lot more things, but it doesn't have the structured storage bins or containers parts like the Bayou bag does. So I do like that. It is very nice for keeping a camera in here. I did have to wrap it up so it didn't get damaged. And in this bag, in the full choke bag over here, it's more of a lay flat bag, so you would have to wrap your camera up again in there. So that's what I know, and thanks.